Hey guys, I feel like National Lampoon's Vacation. There's my dad. We're going out to lunch for Memorial Day weekend, but I want to let you know that my favorite non-toxic cookware, Caraway, is having a huge sale for Memorial Day, and then if you use my code TWINSANITY10, you could take an extra 10% on top of sale prices to really bring the price down. So if you've been wanting bakeware or cookware or kitchen accessories, now's the time to do it because you can get a huge discount on them when you stack the sale and my discount code.